I'm building a fuel line for a 6.0 Power Stroke. Well, the one end was different. I don't have the right top for it and everything, so this is what the other end of the line looks like. It's got a banjo bolt. Well, I don't have the other style to put on there, so I cut that off the right one. I'm gonna weld it on there. See how good it works, you know what I'm saying? Go and move it over a little bit and do the rest. There's nothing to got most of it. There's just a little piece left I gotta get. Can't hold the phone and do it. Looks pretty good. I'll put water in and pressurize it and see how it is. Clean it up a little bit, make sure there's no bad spots. Got it perfect. I put pressure to it, no water. No water comes through.